In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you exactly how to create a live or demo account using Hankotrade, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to log into your HankoX account so that way you guys can start trading by the end of this video. So once you're logged in to your Hankotrade account, you're gonna see live account and demo account. Keep in mind that the setup process is the same for both account types. The only difference is if you're using MTX4, then you're gonna wanna go ahead and click MTX4, click create account, and then that will prompt you over to the magnofx.com website. So creating a live account and demo account in HankoX is super easy. And the first thing that you're gonna wanna go ahead and do is figure out your account type. For this tutorial, I'm gonna add a demo account. And if you wanted to go ahead and find out the difference between the account types, you guys can visit Hankotrade.com. And as you guys can see here, the biggest thing in my opinion is minimum deposit. So keep in mind that depending on how much you're depositing, depends on what account type you should select, okay? So let's go ahead and go back to the Hankotrade portal. And for this account type, we're gonna click ECN. Now, we're gonna go ahead and select USD for the denomination, and the leverage, we're gonna pick max leverage. And if you wanted to go ahead and learn about leverage and how this affects your trading accounts, we have future videos coming. Click open accounts. And as you guys can see right there, this creates your account in a matter of seconds. And as you guys can see here, your trading ID, your password, and your server. So the next thing that you're gonna wanna go ahead and do is go down to the trading terminal tab. And once you click it, it's gonna give you these options when utilizing HankoX. And for this tutorial, we're gonna go ahead and select HankoX demo. And as you guys can see here, it gives you a location for you to log in. And keep in mind that if you wanted to go ahead and see your trading information and your login information, you guys can actually go to your email and it will populate there as well. Once you add all of your information to the login, you can see right here where we're now logged in utilizing our Hankotrade account. Please stay tuned for more tutorials on how to trade and use HankoX's platform.